Hello. In continuation with differential equations, today we are discussing about family of curves. Okay, family of curves. So for finding the family of curves, let us understand what is it. When the general solution is given and we are going to form a differential equation of family of the curves, given curve. Okay. General equation is given, let us take one example. Y is equal to x. What is it? This is an example of equation of a line. Which type of this equation? This is the equation of a line which passes through the origin, isn't it? Like this. x0, y0, x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. That means exact. This is the line which is passing through like that. Okay. Suppose when we are going to write an equation, that equation of line passing through the origin. Equation of the line passing through the origin. Okay. This is the equation. It's having a very particular term. That means it makes angle 45 degree. How can I say it's making angle 45 degree? Because y is equal to, I can write here tan. This is actually y is equal to mx. So tan 45 into x. The value of tan 45 is 1. So y is equal to x. Okay. And tan 45 tan theta is m, slope gradient. So if I write here y is equal to mx, what does it mean? This is the equation of line passing through the origin. How many lines can be drawn? We can draw many lines. Many lines can be drawn passing through the origin. This m slope is changeable only, but otherwise y and x are same, and you can draw the many lines. So this is called the family of lines passing through the origin. What is it? It is called the family of lines, a group of lines passing through the origin. It's okay. So in the family of line y is equal to mx. Y is equal to mx. It is given that. Here one term which is m is a constant. Sometimes it's a 45. Okay, sometimes it is 1030, 1045, 1060, 1090, whatever it is. So this m, if this m is replaced by any derivative term, like suppose if I differentiate this term, differentiate with respect to x, then what is coming here? Dy by dx, that means y dash is equal to m. So what is the value of m? M is y dash. So when I write here y is equal to y dash x. So y is equal to y dash x is a differential equation of family of a line passing through the origin. Y is equal to y dash x. What is it? It is the differential equation of family of lines passing through origin. Is it okay? Because there's a one constant of m, so we'll replace it. The differentiation is used one time. If there are two or more constant, arbitrary constant, so we can use them two or more times. But somehow we want to eliminate these terms, and these constant will be eliminated. In place of that, we'll have to put differential equation like dy by dx. Okay, dy by dx will be substituted in place of that. So that is one. It's talking about the equation of line. Second, suppose a general equation of line is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is the equation of line. This line can be anything that's a coefficient of x, a, coefficient of y is v, and one is a constant term. Okay. And in this line, suppose when I differentiate this term, so it is coming a, differentiation of x is 1 plus b, y dash is equal to 0, y dash is equal to minus a upon b. Y dash is equal to minus a upon b. It's 1. Okay. Once again differentiate, so y dash dash is equal to 0, double dash is equal to 0. Okay. So that means d2y by dx square is equal to 0. What is it? This is the equation of the family of straight lines. It's okay. Simple. So that is the way by which we can make a differential equation. Okay. So in this exercise 9.3, what we are going to do, a general solution is given and we are forming a differential equation. Okay, we are forming a differential equation. One more example. Suppose one equation of circle is given. What is given? Equation of circle. Passing through the center. Equation of circle. We are going to find the equation of circle. Its center is at origin. Equation of circle. Center of circle at origin. Center of circle at origin. Circle. What do you think about its radius? Suppose the radius is r. That is a circle. Okay. Changeable term is radius. R can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I think these are the circle. Center 0. Many circles can be drawn. Okay. So we call a family of circle. So center lies on the origin. It's okay. Center lies on the origin. So equation of that, x square plus y square is equal to r square. Because the equation of circle, center is 0, 0 and center is origin, that means 0, 0 and radius is r. So actually all these circles are concentric circles, their center is same, radius are different. X square plus y square is equal to r square. So here we want to eliminate this r. Okay. What should be done? Differentiate with respect to x. 2x plus 2y divided by dx is equal to 0. Okay. 2 common, x plus y divided by dx is equal to 0. So dy by dx is equal to minus x upon y. Okay. That means y dash plus x is equal to 0. What is it? This is the differential equation of family of circles having a center at origin and radius is r. Okay. Here, now we are coming to exercise 9.3. Exercise 9.3. Question number 1. Question is, in each of the exercise 1 to 5, form the differential equation representing the given family of curves by eliminating arbitrary constants a and b. Here clearly mentioned arbitrary constants a and b. Constants can be in the form of a, b, c, whatever it is. So from question number 1 to 5, I am selecting some questions. Question number 1. First, x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 1. X upon a plus y upon b is equal to 1. This is the equation of straight lines. Intercept on x-axis and y-axis are a and b. You are aware of that. Okay. So we are going to form in the form of differential equation of this family of lines. So for family of lines, differentiate with respect to x. Because there are two arbitrary constants, so we can differentiate 2 times. Differentiate with respect to x. So it is 1 upon a plus 1 upon b dy by dx is equal to 0. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to minus 1 upon a upon 1 upon b. So dy by dx is equal to minus b upon a, and again differentiate with respect to x. So d square y by dx square is equal to 0. Okay. So that what does it mean? Y double dash is equal to 0. This is the differential equation of the family of straight lines. So okay. Clear? So in these questions, I think the main Challenge is how to eliminate the arbitrary constant. In some of the question, it's very difficult to eliminate the arbitrary constants. I am selecting a question number 3. Number 3. What is it? Y is equal to a e to the power 3x plus b e to the power minus 2x. Okay. B e to the power minus 2x. There are two arbitrary constants a and b. So here we are allowed to differentiate two times. Differentiate with respect to x. Now the differentiation dy by dx, I'll use the term as y dash, and d square y by dx square y double dash. It's okay. So differentiate with respect to x. Y dash is equal to a constant a to the power 3x, the differentiation e to the power 3x, and this again differentiate by 3x. Chain rule is applied here. So 3. Here b e to the power minus 2x, and differentiation of minus 2x is minus 2. It's okay, right? I'll give this as a equation number 1. It is equation number 2. Again, differentiate with respect to x. So differentiation of y dash is y dash dash is equal to 3 3 are 9a e to the power 3x. It is minus 2 into minus 2, it is 4b e to the power minus 2x. Is it equation number 3. Now with the help of equation number 1, 2 and 3, we want to eliminate a and b. What we are going to do? We are eliminating a and b. Okay. Now let us see the coefficient of a in second equation 3 e to the power 3x, and here the coefficient of x is e to the power 3x. So that means this 3 is here. So what should be done? Equation number 1 is multiplied by 3 and subtracted from equation number 2. Then what happened? This term will be eliminated, only b term will be left. Okay. So what I am doing here, multiplying equation number 1 by 3. Multiplying equation number 1 by 3. Why 1 by 3? So that it will equate. Okay. So it is coming 3y is equal to 3a e to the power 3x plus 3b e to the power minus 2x. Okay. Right. After that, equation number 2 minus equation number 1. Okay. On this, I'll give the equation number 4. So what should I write here? Equation 2 minus equation 4. Equation 2 minus equation 4. What is equation 2? Y dash is equal to 3a e to the power 3x minus 2b e to the power minus 2x minus 4. 3y is equal to 3a e to the power 3x plus 3b e to the power minus 2x. It's okay. When we are subtracting, sign change. So this is y dash minus 3y is equal to this term cancel. Minus 2b minus 3b, it is minus 5b e to the power minus 2x. So this is equation number 5. Okay. In this equation, you can see a eliminated. Now, let us select other equations like equation number, I have taken 1 and 2. Now we can take equation number 2 and 3. Equation number 2 and 3. Here what should be done? See, equation number 3, it is e to the power 3x, e to the power 3x, there is a 9a, that is 3. So you will multiply it by 3 and subtract it from the third one. Then what happens? E to the power 3x and a will be eliminated here. Okay. So what I am doing here, at equation number 3 minus 3 multiplied by equation number 2. Okay. This is equation 3 and equations. So equation 3, y dash double dash is equal to 9a to the power 3x plus 4b e to the power minus 2x. That is okay. Equation number 2 will be multiplied by first 3. So it is 3y dash is equal to 3 3 is 9a e to the power 3x minus 2 3 is 6b e to the power minus 2x. Am I right? This is to be multiplied by 3 and then subtract. So when we subtract it, sign change, y dash minus 3y dash, y double dash minus 3y dash, you will cancel. 4b and plus 6b, it is 10b e to the power minus 2x. That is equation number 6. Okay. Now you can see equation number 5 and 6. Equation 5 and 6, it is minus 5b to the power 2x, it is 10b to the power 2x. So by 6 equation y double dash minus 3y dash is equal to 10 here, and this is the value of 5b. So this 10 may I write here minus 2 multiplied by minus 5. Is there any problem? Minus 2 multiplied by minus 5 b e to the power minus 2x. Okay. So y dash dash minus 3y dash is equal to minus 2 minus 5b e to the power minus 2x. Minus 5b e to the power minus 2x is equal to by 5 y dash minus 3y. Y dash minus 3y. Y equation number 5. Is it okay? Can it be done? Now you can see in this differential equation there is no constant term. Y double dash minus 3y dash is equal to minus 2y dash and plus 6y. We'll shift here. Y double dash minus 3y dash plus 2y dash minus y dash minus 6y is equal to 0. What is it? This is the differential equation. Is it okay? So as I told you that some of the questions in which the procedure of eliminating the constant is not easy. Okay. So whenever there are two arbitrary constants are there, first you will differentiate 2 times. After that you will try to eliminate any one of the arbitrary constant, and then the following with the second one. Okay. Or another way also, if simply they will be calculated and cancelled, we can cancel them. And now one question I am taking, question number 5, fifth question of it. Y is equal to e to the power x a cos x plus b sin x. E to the power x a cos x plus b sin x. Okay. Equation number 1. There are two arbitrary constants a and b. Differentiation is required 2 times. Differentiate with respect to x. So when we differentiate y dash, differentiate with two functions. First function, this is second function. Product rule will be applied. First function e to the power x. Differentiation of second function. A, differentiation of cos x is minus sin x, plus b, differentiation of sin x is cos x. First function, differentiation of second function plus second function. A cos bx, a cos x plus b sin x and e to the power x as it is. Okay. First function, differentiation of second function plus second function, and differentiation of e to the power x is d to the power x only. Y dash is equal to, take e to the power x common from both the terms, minus a sin x plus b sin x. So may I write here minus a plus b sin x, minus a plus b sin x. Is that okay? B cos x plus a cos x. So plus b plus a into cos x. This can be given as equation number 2. Okay. Again differentiate. First function e to the power x, differentiation of this term. So differentiation of it, sin x cos x minus a plus b cos x. Differentiation of cos x is minus sin x, b plus a sin x. First function, differentiation of second function plus second function, minus a plus b sin x and plus b plus a cos x into differentiation of first function e to the power x as it is. Y dash dash is equal to e to the power x taken common. When I take e to the power common, now let us see the cos x. So cos x minus a plus b, here cos x b plus a. So when we collect them, what happens? Minus a and plus a cancel, b plus b 2b. So I write here 2b cos x minus b minus a and minus a plus b. Minus b plus b cancel, minus a minus 2a sin x. Is it okay? So y dash is equal to taking 2 common, 2 e to the power x, b cos x minus a sin x. And this is equation number 3. Okay. Now let us see equation number 1, 2 and 3. How to eliminate a and b. Equation number 1, e to the power x, a cos x plus b sin x. It is b cos x minus a sin x. And that is equation number 2. So what happens if we will do one thing like e to the power x multiplied here 2. Here e to the power x, there is no multiplication. So may I do one thing, equation number 3 and with b minus a. Now we can do one thing, equation number 3 minus 2 multiplied by equation number 1. Okay. Then what happens? Equation number 3 minus 2 multiplied by equation number 1. Why I am doing it? See, when you multiply it by 2, so it is 2a. It is 2a. Right? 2a cos x. And this is 2 is to be outside here. So a cos x and that is b cos x. It is a plus b cos x. A plus b cos x. And it is minus a sin x, b sin x and minus a sin x. So what is coming here? B minus a sin x. Okay. So that's why we have to do one thing. So equation number 3 minus 2 multiplied by 1. Okay. Equation number 3 y dash double dash is equal to 2 e to the power x b cos x plus minus a sin x. That is, and 2 multiplied by 1. So when we multiplied by 2, 2y is equal to 2 e to the power x a cos x plus b sin x. Okay. And when we are going to subtract, then what happens? Minus, it is minus. Y dash dash minus 2y is equal to, when I take 2 e to the power x common, 2 e to the power x common, and what is left here? B cos x minus a sin x minus a cos x. So it is coming b minus a cos x and minus a sin x minus b sin x. I'll take minus sign common, so it is a plus b sin x. Is it okay? And now see equation number 2. Equation number 2. B plus a cos x. It is, what is coming this? B minus a cos x and minus a plus b sin x. Now what happens? So you can understand the second way. Suppose when we are going to add it, then what happens? Y dash plus 2y dash is equal to 2 e to the power x common. It is coming b plus a cos x. It is b plus a cos x and b minus a sin x, b minus a sin x. It's okay. So rather than subtraction, what should be done? Addition. So if we add them, then what happens? If you are going to add it, then what happens? Because when we are subtracting, we are not getting any result. You cannot compare it. So simply what should be done? Adding. Equation 3 plus 2 multiplied by equation 1. So y dash dash double dash plus 2y is equal to 2 e to the power x b cos x plus a cos x. B plus a cos x plus b minus a sin x. Is it okay? Clear? And you can see equation number 2 is the same as b plus a cos x plus b minus a sin x e to the power x. Okay. So y double dash plus y 2y is equal to 2 as it is. And what is the value of e to the power x, this term? E to the power x, this entire term can be replaced by y dash. y true. Clear? So now the result is y double dash minus 2y dash plus 2y is equal to 0. This is the differential equation. Clear? So these are the procedure by which you can solve the questions, you can eliminate the arbitrary constant. So these are the procedures will be used. Okay, means you are using the terms and you can understand that which term should be multiplied, which number is multiplied, which is divided, so that we want to finally eventually what we want to eliminate a and b. This is one thing that you have to keep in our mind and then solve the general solutions. Now some words problem, question number 6 I am taking. Form the differential equations of the family of circles touching the y-axis at origin. Form the differential equations of family of circles touching the y-axis at origin. Touching the y-axis at origin. Touching the y-axis at origin. Okay. Let us see which type of diagram is there. Form the differential equation of family of circles. Touching the y-axis at origin. Circle is touching y-axis at origin. So I think, is it okay? Is it okay? Like this. And that side also. So on the other side also. What should I take here? What is the center of the circle? Center of the circle, because it's touching at the y-axis. Okay. So that means on y-axis, the second coordinate is 0, but first can be anything. We can consider, suppose it is a comma 0. What is it? It is a comma 0. This can be minus a also on that side. Okay. Because they are asking that the family of circles, so it can be minus a also. Differential equation of the family of circles touching the y-axis at origin. Okay. This condition is also possible. We cannot ignore this condition. And it is coming 0 minus a comma 0. So equation of circle is equal to x minus a whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equal to, what is the radius of it? Radius is a. Okay. One more condition is possible that side, minus a comma 0. So during that time, what is the center? X minus minus a, that means x plus a whole square. So what should I write here? Minus plus. Can we use this term? Okay. Or simply x minus b whole square I am taking, and finally we will write here. The second condition is also possible. Okay. So that is the term. There is a single arbitrary constant a. So differentiate with respect to x minus a whole square. 2x minus a, differentiation of x minus a is 1, plus y square 2y divided as y dash is equal to 0. Okay. And now what is coming this, the value of it, 2x minus 2a plus 2y y dash is equal to 0. 2 common and cancel, x minus a plus y dash is equal to 0. So therefore x plus y dash is equal to a. Now this is the value of a. This value of a will be substituted in equation number 1. So x minus, what is a? X plus y dash whole square plus y square is equal to a square. What is a? X plus y dash whole square. Is it okay? X minus x, it is cancelled, x cancelled, minus y dash whole square. So it is y dash whole square plus y square is equal to x square plus y dash whole square plus 2xy dash. Okay. Now here what happens? Y dash whole square, y dash whole square cancel. Finally it is coming here, y square is equal to x square plus 2xy dash. Okay, plus 2xy dash. Now let us see, if I'll put here plus sign, then what is the condition? I'll put here the plus sign, so it is coming 2x, this is a plus sign, here is a plus sign, therefore the value of a is equal to, both the terms are negative, so they are all these two terms negative. So this is x plus x, 2x, and the value will be changed. Okay, so that is the condition. Y square is equal to x square, 2xy dash, 2xy dash plus x square minus y square is equal to 0. This is the first case. And second case also can be done, x plus a whole square plus y square is equal to a square. Okay, using the same process. So the differential equation of it. Clear? Okay. So only the signs will change there, otherwise everything remains same. So in this question what we have done? We have eliminated a, okay, arbitrary constant. Now let us take question number 7. Form the differential equation of the family of parabolas having the vertex at origin and axis along the positive y-axis. Form the differential equation of the family of parabolas. Family of parabolas. And family of parabolas, which type of this parabola? Vertex at origin and the axis along the positive y-axis. Vertex at origin, like this is a parabola, and vertex, and focus on the positive side of, it is clearly mentioned that along a positive y-axis. So you will remember, I think in one of the lectures I told you that there are 4 conditions of the parabola on the right hand side. When the focus on the x-axis, y square is equal to 4ax, that side y square is equal to minus 4ax, x square is equal to 4ay, and x square is equal to minus 4ay. Okay, because the family of parabola, it can be done like this, it can be extended like that. This will not be changed, that will not change. Okay, so we are finding the family of it. So what's the equation of it? Equation of parabola, okay, when vertex at origin and focus on positive y-axis. What is the equation? X square is equal to 4ay. This a will be eliminated from it. Differentiate with respect to x. 2x is equal to 4a y dash. Okay. So 2x upon 4y dash is equal to a. So a is equal to x upon 2y dash. This value of a will be substituted here. y1 x square is equal to 4. What is a? X upon 2y dash y. Okay, clear? So what is this? 2 2s are 4, cancel. X square y dash is equal to 2xy. Or x square y dash minus 2xy is equal to 0. X square y dash minus 2xy is equal to 0. Taking x common, xy dash minus 2y is equal to 0. Clear? So this is the family of parabola. So vertex at origin and focus on positive side of y-axis. Now I want to select a question format. Number 8 is find the differential equation of the family of the ellipse having the foci on y-axis and center at origin. Form the differential equation of the family of hyperbola having the focus on x-axis and the center at y. Both the questions are the same pattern question. Question number 8 and 9. Question number 8. Form the differential equation of the family of ellipse. Foci on y-axis. So x square upon x square upon b square plus y square upon a square is equal to 1. Foci on y-axis. Okay, because major axis is y-axis. And ninth question, form the differential equation of the family of hyperbola having the foci on x-axis and center at origin. So simple, this is the general equation of the hyperbola. X square upon b square minus, x square upon a square minus y square upon b square is equal to 1. Okay. So ninth question I am taking x square upon a square minus y square upon b square is equal to 1. Plus sign comes in the ellipse and minus sign in parabola. Okay. So the equation of, not parabola, it's hyperbola. Equation of hyperbola. Okay. Hyperbola when foci on the x-axis. It's okay. There are two arbitrary constants here, and we are going to find the family of hyperbolas. So differentiate with respect to x. What is coming here? 2x upon a square minus 2y y dash upon b square is equal to 0. 2 common, x upon a square minus y dash upon b square is equal to 0. 2 will be shifted here. X upon a square minus y dash upon b square is equal to 0. It's okay. That is, suppose this equation number 1, here I can consider as equation number 2. And once again, differentiate with respect to x. 1 upon a square minus 1 upon b square, and the differentiation of two functions. First function y, differentiation of y is y double dash plus second function y dash, and differentiation of that function y dash. Okay, it's equal to 0. So what is coming here? 1 upon a square is equal to 1 upon b square y double dash plus y dash square is equal to 0. Okay. Here now you will see that this is an equation where I can substitute the value. I can put the value here. If I put the value of a square, then which term is coming? Let us see. Or from here 1 upon a square, I can substitute the value by 2. Okay. So by 2. My second equation, what is this? X upon a square is equal to y dash upon b square. Okay, shifting that side. So when I find 1 upon a square, then what is the value? This means 1 upon a square, 1 upon a square is equal to y dash upon b square multiplied by x. Is it okay? This is the value which will be substituted in equation number 3 by 3. Okay. So third is 1 upon a square. What is 1 upon a square? 1 upon a square is y dash upon b square x is equal to 1 upon b square and y double dash plus y dash square. So b square cancel. Okay. I think a and b both are eliminated. Now what should be done? This x will be shifted here. So y dash is equal to x y double dash plus x y dash whole square. So what is the family of differential? This is a family of hyperbola. X y double dash plus x y dash whole square minus y dash is equal to 0. Okay. Clear? So this is question number 9. You can make your mind whenever you see that there are two arbitrary constants, we'll have to differentiate 2 times and then try to eliminate the arbitrary constant. This I am doing in each and every question. Okay. And the same thing you have to do also. One more question I am selecting from it. Question number 10. Form the differential equation of the family of circles having center on y-axis and radius 3. Family of circles having center on y-axis and radius 3 unit. Radius 3 units. Okay. So which type of diagram is required here? Center on y-axis. Center. This is the center. Here's the center. This side the center. Radius is fixed. So center is along the y-axis. Okay. Center along the y-axis, that means the x, first coordinate abscissa is 0, only ordinate is there. So we'll consider let the ordinate be a. Okay. So equation of circle is equal to x minus 0 whole square plus y minus a whole square is equal to 3 square. Radius 3 and center at this. Okay. This may be minus or plus anything. So that means it is x square plus y minus a whole square is equal to 9. Differentiate with respect to x. Single differentiation is allowed. 2x plus 2y minus a y dash is equal to 0. 2 will be common and shifting here. So x plus y minus a y dash is equal to 0. So direct may I find the value of y minus a? X is equal to minus y minus a y dash. Therefore x upon y dash with minus sign is equal to y minus a. Is it okay? So the value of y minus a is equal to minus x upon y dash. This value will be substituted in 1. X square plus y minus a whole square. So minus x upon y dash whole square is equal to 9. Okay. So this is coming x square plus x square upon y dash whole square is equal to 9. So that is coming x square minus 9, x square minus 9 plus x square upon y dash square is equal to 0. Okay. And that means it can be written x square minus 9 multiplied by y dash square plus x square is equal to y dash whole square will be shifted here, it is 0. Okay, so what is this? This is the family of circle, center on y-axis and radius 3 unit. Is that okay? Clear? So this is the last question of this exercise, okay, which I have discussed. Thank you. Thanks for watching.